Sakwiti Ranasingh's Accurate English Pronunciations First Lesson. This is a new lesson series. How to pronounce words. Because some people confuse when pronouncing words. So, I am going to help you to pronounce certain words accurately. Accurately, not accurately. It should be accurately, correctly, most correctly, accurately. Accurate pronunciation, not pronunciation. Some people say pronunciation. Pronunciation is wrong. What is the accurate pronunciation? Pronunciation. If you can pronounce with me, it's better. Try to pronounce. Pronunciation. Now, I will show you one word on the screen. Try to pronounce. Try to pronounce. What's the accurate pronunciation? What's the accurate pronunciation? Can you pronounce? Pronounce is the verb. Pronunciation is the noun. I think you got it. Now, second example, different. Many people say different. It's wrong. It's not different. The correct pronunciation should be different. Now, I am a different man. Now, I am a different man after coming out of jail. You got it? I was in jail. I was in jail. After coming out of jail, now I'm a different man. Don't say different man. It's wrong. It's different. It's a different thing. You are different. Different. It's the most correct pronunciation. I'm always trying to give you the accurate pronunciation. Next example. 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 G sound. Some people say example. K sound is wrong. It's not example. It should be example. Listen to me very well. Example. Example. G sound. It's a good example. Try to be an example to the society. Now I am moving to the next example. America. It's a country. Some people say America. It's wrong. It's not America. It should be America. And people who live in that country should be Americans. Americans. Not Americans. Americans, wrong. Accurate verb is Americans. He is an American. Next example, Africa. An African. He is an African. He is an African American. I think sometimes it may be a new word for you because many people say black Americans. But I think, as I believe, The accurate word is African Americans. You know, Barack Obama is an African American. Don't say he is a black American. Next example, general. General English. General meaning. What is the general meaning of that word? What's the general meaning of that word? Not general. General is wrong. General Sarath Fonseca. Not General Sarath Fonseca. It's wrong. The accurate pronunciation is General Sarath Fonseca. I think this lesson series will be very important for you. My last example, important. Many people say important. It's wrong. It should be important. It's very important for us. It's very important for us. Now, this is a good lesson. This is a very good lesson. It's very important to us. Never say important. What is the correct pronunciation? Important. It's very important to us. I'll see you from another new lesson in the near future. Have a nice day. Wish you all the best.
සක්විති රණසිංහ මෙහෙවන ස්පෝකන් ඉංග්ලිෂ් එක් දින වැඩමුළු ජූලි 25 බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා උදෑසන 10 සිට සවස 6 දක්වා ගම්පහ පැරණි මොන්ටානා සිසුර ශාලාව බස් නැවතුම්පල ඉදිරිපිට ජූලි 26 සිකුරාදා නිව් ලීඩ්ස් පානදුර ගාලුපාරේ අබාන්ස් ප්‍රදර්ශනාගාරය අසල නවකාගිල්ස් ඉදිරිපිට ජූලි 27 සෙනසුරාදා උදෑසන 10:30 සිට සවස 6 දක්වා සිප්කන් හයර් එඩියුකේෂන් අවිස්සාවේල්ල ජූලි 28 ඉරිදා කල්යාණී විද්‍යාලය කොළොන්නාව බාලිකාව ඉදිරිපිට දෙමටගොඩ කොළොන්නාව පාරේ ෆුඩ් සිටිය ළඟින් ඇතුළට උදෑසන 9:30 සිට සවස 5 දක්වා ජූලි 29 සඳුදා උදෑසන 9 සිට සවස 5 දක්වා රියෝදා මාතර එළපාර ජූලි 30 අඟහරුවාදා පෙරවරු 9 සිට පස්වරු 5 දක්වා ලීඩර් උසස් අධ්‍යාපන ආයතනය හොරණ රත්නපුර පාරේ නේසන්ස් ට්‍රස්ට් බැංකුව ඉදිරිපිට ඔබේ දරුවා සමග අනිවාර්යෙන්ම පැමිණෙන්න වයස් භේදයක් නැත මතකය වර්ධනය කිරීමේ විශේෂ උපක්‍රම සහ ව්‍යාකරණය පිළිබඳව අතිශය සරල යොමුවක් මෙහිදී ඔබට ලබාගත හැක. අපගේ YouTube පාඩම් පෙළ සමග දෙබස් පුහුණුවට අවශ්‍ය මඟ පෙන්වීම මෙම වැඩමුළුව තුළින් අතිශය සරල ලෙස ලබා දෙනු ඇත. මනෝවිද්‍යාත්මක චින්තන අභ්‍යාස ක්‍රම සහ ධනාත්මක චින්තන අභ්‍යාසද ඇතුළත්ය.